Want crispy, delicious meals with little to no oil in minutes? Air fryers are making cooking faster, healthier, and easier than ever. Whether you need smart features, large capacity, or a budget-friendly option, the right air fryer can transform your kitchen routine. In this list, we'll explore the top 5 best air fryers that deliver perfect results every time. Let's find the one that fits your needs. Number 1. COSORI 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The COSORI 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer is a powerful and highly versatile kitchen appliance designed for users who want fast, efficient, and consistent cooking results every time. It features a wide temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes including crispy fries, roasted vegetables, baked foods, and dehydrated snacks. With 9 cooking functions such as air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm, it offers excellent flexibility for everyday cooking needs. The advanced TurboBlaze heating system ensures even heat distribution, delivering food that is crispy on the outside and tender inside. Its ceramic coating is non-stick, durable, and free from harmful chemicals, making it safe and easy to clean. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or batch cooking. The digital control panel ensures simple operation, precise control, and consistently reliable cooking performance for all users, making it a dependable choice for modern kitchens today, worldwide daily use for everyone always. Number 2. Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer AF141. The Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer AF141 is designed for users who want reliable performance, powerful cooking, and everyday convenience in a single appliance. It offers 4 essential cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, making it suitable for preparing a wide range of meals quickly and easily at home. With a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit and a powerful heating system, it delivers fast cooking and crispy, golden results using little to no oil, helping you enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing taste or texture. The 5-quart capacity can handle large portions, making it perfect for families or small gatherings. Its non-stick basket and crisper plate are specially designed to promote even airflow, ensuring food cooks evenly and achieves a perfect crisp every time. The simple control panel makes it easy for beginners to operate without confusion. Its compact design fits well in most kitchens without taking up too much space. Overall, it ensures consistent, reliable performance and convenience for daily cooking needs. Number 3. COSORI Air Fryer Pro 5 Cutie. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro 5 Cutie is a compact yet feature-rich appliance designed for users who want convenience, smart features, and consistent cooking performance in their kitchen every day. It comes with 7 preset cooking functions that allow you to prepare a wide variety of meals with just one touch, making it ideal for beginners as well as busy households. Its high-temperature capability ensures your food turns out crispy on the outside while remaining tender and evenly cooked on the inside every single time you use it. The ceramic-coated nonstick basket is durable, safe, and very easy to clean, and it is also dishwasher safe for added convenience after cooking. A built-in shake reminder notifies you when to flip or shake your food, helping achieve perfectly even cooking results. It also includes preheating and keeping warm functions to improve overall cooking performance. With a 5-quart capacity, it is perfect for small to medium-sized families. Additionally, the app connectivity gives you access to a wide range of recipes for smarter, easier, and more enjoyable daily cooking. Number 4. Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer. The Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer is a premium and innovative appliance designed for users who want advanced technology, large capacity, and superior cooking performance in their kitchen. It features a unique flat design with both top and bottom heating elements, allowing heat to circulate evenly from all sides. This means you don't need to flip food frequently, and you still get perfectly cooked results every time. Its spacious interior can easily fit a large pizza, multiple steaks, or several portions at once, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. The AI-powered smart system automatically adjusts cooking settings to deliver precise and consistent results without guesswork. It also includes a convenient self-cleaning function, making maintenance simple and hassle-free after use. The ceramic basket is safe and supports healthier cooking. Its quiet operation adds extra comfort during use, while the sleek and modern design enhances the look of any kitchen. Overall, it delivers powerful, smart, and efficient cooking performance. Number 5. Chefman 4Cutie Compact Air Fryer. The Chefman 4Cutie Compact Air Fryer is a practical and budget-friendly appliance designed for users who want quick, easy, and efficient cooking for everyday meals at home. It features special technology that increases heat during the final stage of cooking, helping deliver extra crispy and delicious results every time you use it. With a 4-quart capacity, it is perfect for individuals, couples, or small families who need a compact yet reliable cooking solution. One of its standout features is the Easy View window, which allows you to monitor your food without opening the basket, helping maintain consistent temperature and cooking performance. The touch control panel includes preset cooking options, making it simple and user-friendly, especially for beginners. Its nonstick basket is dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and effortless cleanup after cooking. The compact design saves valuable kitchen space while still providing solid performance. Overall, it is a dependable, affordable, and efficient air fryer for daily cooking needs. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.